back.
Y'all really just hit me though for what though? Hey, they really just hit me though for what though? Y'all beating on my window and stuff like that, man. I'm chilling though. I ain't be disrespectful to nobody though.
Stay on that side. Stay on that side.
Hey, sir, what's wrong? Why y'all put me in though today? Hey, don't leave, don't leave. Hey, don't move. Don't.
Hey, your buddy's about to go to jail if he doesn't move.
Don't leave.
I'm leaving. Your license right now. Hey, your license right now.
I'm leaving.
Well, I want to lock you up. Your license right now.
He just told me to.
Your license right now. You're dealing with me now. Your license right now. We're not playing this game.
19926.
Go back.
I ain't gonna run, but you can let me go though. I can look around. Hey, hold on, bro. I can look around, right? But I can look around though, right?
It's on camera that you're moving, you're tensing up, and you're moving away from my control. Are you?
But no, I can't run.
Okay.
I ain't gonna run, bro.
Sure you don't run.
I promise you I ain't gonna run, bro. If I wanted to run, I would have been ran. Shit, brother grabbed me by my neck.